Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is going to be a night suit haul. Recently I've shopped for a few night suits from Myntra and Clovia and I'll be linking all the products in the description box below. So yes, now without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. First two night suits are going to be from Myntra and then we'll move on to Clovia. So the first night suit which I have here with me is this one. It has shorts with it. So this night suit is from Myntra and it is from the brand called ETC. It is a very pretty yellow and white checks printed night suit. This is a pure cotton night suit, but I must say that the fabric is a bit see-through. Top में उतना problem नहीं होता है, but shorts में obviously थोड़ा problem होगा. So if you're not comfortable wearing इतना पतला fabric का, then please don't buy this. But in general, if I say the fabric is really nice, गर्मी के हिसाब से बहुत पतला and बहुत soft cotton है ये. The next night suit which I've got is a full night suit. Pajama है और top है उसके साथ and it is from the brand Dressberry. I really like the print of this night suit. It is in this cute ice cream print. So this is how the top looks like. And it comes with a full pant. So it's a proper PJ set. This night suit was just for rupees 963 and I think it is a good deal because generally ऐसे PJ sets are costly. It has a really nice fabric, ये एकदम भी see through नहीं है and ये भी ऐसे shirt pattern में ही है. It has got front buttons with a collar and the best part about this night suit is it has got pockets on both the sides and it's pajama and it is really nice because we all need pocket wale night suits, right? Alright, now let's move on to the Clovia part. Clovia से मैंने 3 night suits order किए थे. And the first one is this very pretty white checks night suit. And this is how it looks like. Really like the pattern of this night suit. इस जो shorts है इसमें नीचे इस type की lace detailing भी दी हुई है. This night suit is in rayon fabric and it is just for rupees 519. Rayons are really nice to wear in summers because वो बहुत lightweight fabric होता है. So I either prefer wearing cotton night suits or night suits in rayon fabric. So I've got almost every night suit in shorts and just that Dressberry one was in a long PJ set because I wear shorts only, so it was more sensible for me to buy shorts. If you guys want to see a PJ set ka haul, please let me know in the comments down below. And the next night suit which I got from Clovia is this one. This is a plain night suit. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा. इसका fabric भी cotton है. I wanted something in basic, एकदम solid color as well. That is why I went for this one. This night suit feels very comfortable. इसका fabric बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. Clovia में उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे discounts चल रहे थे. So I got this night suit just for rupees 567. So we have the last piece here with us and the last night suit is I think something जो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से लेने का मन था. It's a satin night suit. I don't own any satin night suits and it is in this very pretty blue color. Obviously it is satin तो गर्मी लगेगी. It is not that summer appropriate, but suppose you are going to a hill station और अगर आपको रात को AC बहुत ज़्यादा तेज करके सोने की आदत है, so you can definitely buy yourself one satin night suit. तो आपको इतनी ठंड नहीं लगेगी satin night suits में. I got for just rupees 609 and I think it is a great deal because satin night suits are usually costly. So yes guys, with that I finished this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do let me know कि इनमें से आपको कौन सा नाइट सूट सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा, and if you are willing to buy one, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of fun, beauty and fashion related videos there. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.